Hello and welcome to 10 on Tuesday with your team here at Interlace Communications. Today we're going to talk about ways to advertise online. We have a handout at the end that provides you with information on not only online, but also in print. So many a time when people call us, they have questions to ask us about advertising online. So what we thought we'd do today is Casey will act as that client who calls and says, oh, should I advertise online? Oh, so you can ask me that question.
All right, so should I advertise online?
Well, that's a broad-based question. Whether you should advertise online, is it for your website or is it for your social media? That's a decision that we would have to make for you. So that would be the first step, determining what type of advertising you want to do. Okay. What other questions might you ask?
Is it expensive to advertise?
Another good question. It depends, again, on the platform. Some platforms are more expensive than others. The normal where we put people when they're advertising with Google Ads, we start them at $100, even though you do not even have to spend $100. You can spend whatever you want. In some cases, you might not see anything come from that, and the platform itself will let us know whether we are not spending enough. So some are more expensive than others. As far as Facebook's concerned, that's a tough one because right now it's a little bit more difficult to get that return on investment with Facebook.
Okay.
So it can be expensive.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What should I put in the content of the ad?
The content of the ad should be very reflective of the type of platform it is. So if you're on LinkedIn, you can talk about business all you want on LinkedIn and ask for business. In fact, LinkedIn is a platform where they want you to be able to be doing business. As for Facebook, when you're on Facebook, you want to keep in mind that this is a platform where people are coming to see what's happening with their family and friends. This is where you want to have very interactive types of posts with videos and pictures, and it's more meant, Facebook is more meant for being top of mind. As far as Google's concerned, you can again ask for business on Google, and it takes you right to your website for that. I like Google.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long should I run the ad for?
Okay. In print, we always say you need to be there when your client needs you, not when you think they need you. What that means is when you have decided to advertise on any platform, be it print or online, to just run it for 1 week to see how it works is a waste of money and time. You need to give it the time it needs. Fortunately, on all of the platforms, you have that ability at any given time. If you're seeing absolutely no result from it, tweak the ad, make changes, maybe add a video, but keep it running so that you can get that feedback. In the beginning, you're going to be doing a lot of testing to find out what works and what makes your audience react.
Okay.
Yes.
And then how do I know if the ad is working?
The neat thing with the online platforms is that they provide you with reports at the end of the month or the middle of the month. You can go in and you can look at what each one is doing and you can see it. So what we're going to do to show you a brand new, well, it's not brand new, but brand new to us, brand new platform that is available online. We're going to show you Waze, which you know it as an interactive GPS, but now they've added the ability for businesses to advertise on it. So what we're going to do is jump over to Waze and show you how that works. This is Waze, their website. How to get to it is waze.com/business. And this shows you about the advertising on it. There are different ways, as you can tell, that a business can promote itself. You'll see here that you're going to put your logo inside. So when a person is driving by your location, up pops this little billboard, mini billboard, as you're driving along. There are also ads that when a person clicks through on it, they can learn more about your business and find out how to get to it. We began to advertise on Waze to test it and see exactly what the impact would be if a business like ours would advertise on it. So we're going to scroll through, and this is an actual email that was sent to us. And what it shows us is that over the past month in October, on 61, as people were driving by, we had 13,172 impressions, meaning that people had their Waze app open as they were driving past our office. Of that, 217 people actually clicked on the total number of times our business was shown as a branded search result that had not clicked on it. And then the actions are 96 actions where people actually clicked and navigated because of our ad. They took an action with it. In our handout that we have for you this week, we're showing you a brand new online marketing platform that is Waze. There are 3 ways in which an advertiser can place an ad on Waze. With a pin, which is like a little mini billboard that comes up, and if you use Waze, you've been seeing them. A search, which is a larger version of your logo and provides more information when they click through on that. And a 0-speed ad, which is not available on all platforms. It actually is a greater investment, $169 a month to place the ad. The 0-speed ad is presented to people, and it can be a small ad, like I went by a Sheets the other day, and the 0-speed ad came up because it was at a traffic light. And it presented an ad to me for candy because of Halloween. Those are the types of ads that are presented on it. The 0-speed ad happens when a car that's using Waze comes to a complete stop for more than 3 seconds. So it's not to be intrusive while you're driving along and be interruptive when the car is moving. So Waze is very, very affordable, as you will find. We are spending a whole $2 a day to advertise on it. And the return on the investment, as far as the amount of exposure we're getting from Waze, is extremely successful. So my recommendation is to look into Waze, especially if you are a retail business, any kind of auto repair, gas station, anything of that nature does very well with Waze. So we encourage you to take advantage of this new platform or any of the platforms. We hope that our Q&A today does help you to make decisions on advertising online. If you need any help, just give us a call. We'll gladly help you in any way possible to get your business all set up and ready for the holidays. Next week, we're going to be looking into last-minute preparation for getting ready for the holidays. You're probably thinking, well, we haven't even had Thanksgiving. Well, that's why we're doing this, to get ready for the Black Friday, the Cyber Monday, the Small Business Saturday. So we're looking forward to presenting our last-minute tips and ideas. And thank you for listening to 10 on Tuesday.